I've been really keen to add more vegetarian recipes to my campsite cooking, whether that's for my own personal health reasons. Eating a bit less meat is also good for the environment, but also at the moment, cost of food is sky high, and a vegetarian meal like this, where everything could just come from the local farm shops, very simple, is going to be pretty cheap. I'm making some beautiful black bean burgers with some spicy, smoky potato wedges. I'm making them smoky because I'm going to be using my little Cadac smoker's box that I'm going to put down in my barbecue. I've chopped up an onion, a red pepper, and a couple of cloves of garlic. I'm using the chef pan here. This is my favourite Cadac. It's got loads of different tops, as you'll see in this recipe, that are just really handy. And I'm going to cook that for about 5 minutes just to soften it all down. So as they start to cook, add some jalapeno. And I'm also going to add cumin and a little bit of salt and pepper to season all those veggies. The main component of this recipe are black beans, and I've also put some butter beans in there. I've just used a tin of each, drained and rinsed. So I'm just going to give that a good mash. So I'm going to pop my little smoker in here. Now to bring it all together, I'm going to use some egg. So here we go. So I'm just going to add a little bit in, a bit more salt. A little bit more pepper. Right, so there are the patties. I've made 5 of them. I'm going to put those in the fridge or the cool box now, and the longer I can leave them, the better they will fare on the barbecue. So the patties are in the fridge, and I'm just going to do the potato wedges, oil them up and be generous with your paprika. So I've put my potatoes all on one layer there. I'm going to pop the lid back on quickly to keep that smoke in. So they're going to be smoky from the paprika and smoky from the real smoke. So that's going to taste delicious. Okay, so these have had about an hour in the cool box. Just putting a little bit of flour on them, and that's really going to help them stay together on the braai. You can see that my sweet potatoes have been smoking and grilling away nicely. These will take about 4 minutes on either side. Just starting to crisp up there. Those potatoes are certainly done, so I'm going to serve up. And I'm also going to make a very quick sort of spicy sauce to go on the top there. I've just got some sour cream and some chipotle cooking paste. Again, my family just love everything as spicy as possible. There you go, be very generous with it. And there you have it, a lovely spicy black bean burger and some smoky sweet potato wedges.